Hi, so we're now standing in what will be our dining room, and this is kind of the transition from the old part to the new part. In here we had to open up the floor to make a couple changes, and we decided, even though the floor was structurally sound, it had a bit of a sag in it, so we sistered all the joists and leveled up the floor. So we'll have a nice level floor and it'll have a good feeling to it. We added some support beams, and you can see the electrical wires running through there. This next week our HVAC guys are going to put in new ductwork, and then we'll go ahead and close all this up. The other structural issue, you can follow me into this front bedroom where we had some issues with mainly it was in the corner post here. Water had gotten in there over time and rotted that post out, and it also affected the foundation. The brick had went through some freeze-thaw cycles and busted that out. So that corner was sagging, and on the outside you could actually see the siding dipping down about 4 to 6 inches in a short span but over time, slowly happening. It was just kind of a gradual thing. It was interesting. So what we did here was added studs wherever we had rot issues, tied them into these, put in new bottom and top plates, and tied it together. We used some sheathing in areas that it was appropriate. So if you want to see outside, I can bring you out there and show you where we replaced all the siding. Now the siding out here, we replaced it with siding that we removed from part of an original structure that got altered. So it's all 100 and whatever, 30 years old siding, just in a new spot. So this section, everything that's painted white, is all new to this part of the house. And this is the section where it dropped down about 6 inches from about where that gutter is on down, is where we had issues. Everything above it was in great shape. The framing on the house was, the real beefy, real 2-bys, so that held up well. But that's all I've got for you right now.